Hey everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. As you guys can tell by the title, this is my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I cannot tell you guys how appreciative I am for all of you, and it just blows my mind how amazing this budget community is because you guys are so supportive. We support each other. I love watching your videos. Everybody that comments and other budgeters on here, you guys are amazing and your videos are awesome. I'm going to flash some of the people that I love to watch here on the screen. There's just so many and I think you guys should check them out. I will leave them linked down below as well because a lot of these women are bosses for just taking control of their lives and showing their journey. I know it's not easy to share, you know, certain aspects of your life on YouTube. I've been doing it for almost 13 years now, so I feel like it's normal to me, but like I love watching everybody's journey, how they budget, their setup. Everybody's so different, so check all of these ladies out here that I'm flashing on the screens. Their links will be down below to subscribe to them. And let's just all support each other in this journey. I'm so excited, and we are over 5,000 subscribers at this point, but I was planning this video and I haven't gotten a chance to get to it until today. But also, I'm kind of nervous, you guys, because as you can tell by the title, we also had a big oops on my part. And yeah, I just want to be completely transparent with you guys. So this is a huge PSA right now. And it's just kind of ironic how the video I planned to do today was the giveaway for you guys because you guys are so amazing. And I'm still going to do the giveaway, but I also wanted to address this as well because it came to my attention just this morning and I've been fixing it all day. And if like, I'm like shaking a little bit. And I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but like you guys know, I run my shop by myself. I do everything from designing websites, listings, packaging, making everything myself right now. And so I, you know, take a lot of pride in what I do. And then, you know, when I do something wrong or when I mess up and make a mistake, I'm going to tell you because there's no point in hiding it. There's no point in trying to ignore it. I would want a company to be completely transparent with me if I purchase from them or if I supported them in any way. So I'm telling you guys right now because I just found out today and I've already started the process into fixing everything. But I did get a comment this morning, and thank you so much to Debbie, I believe her name is, for pointing this out because it's been over a month since I've released my savings challenges and nobody has emailed me about this issue and nobody has brought it to my attention until now. So Debbie, shout out to you and thank you so much for letting me know that there was a misprint. So before we get into the giveaway, I just want to get this PSA out. Again, I want to be transparent with you guys because you have been so amazing and I owe you that, and that's just the kind of company I want to run. If something happened, if something went wrong or if there was an issue, like I want you to be the first ones to know, you know, obviously right after me. But there was a misprint in a savings challenge. So this is my savings challenge binder. You guys have seen this before, but there was a misprint in the holiday savings challenge for $500. So let me just take mine out and show you guys. This is still the misprinted original one, and it's a misprint on the tracker. So all right, so now you can zoom in. You guys can see that the increments here are $10, and then, or some of the increments are $10, and then you have 5 going across and 8 down. Obviously, if you added all those up at a $10 increment, it does not equal the $500 goal. The only misprint was in the $500 holiday challenge, and it technically equals $450. Now, Debbie had left a comment saying that it equaled $400, but it's also a mistake on my part that I forgot to tell you guys in the videos that some trees are $20. So there are some $20 trees in here. There's another one there. There's one there. I snuck them in because in my mind I was like, you know, yeah, it doesn't equal 500, so I needed to make some bigger. But when Debbie called me out, I was like, let me just triple check because I knew I put some $20 trees in there to make it reach the 500. But even when I went back and double checked after Debbie's comment, it equals $450. I am so sorry on my part. looked at this tracker so many times. It's something that I overlooked. I even had other people double check for me and my math, and they overlooked it. And again, no one has brought it up this entire month until Debbie, so thank you. But yes, she said it equaled 400. It actually equals 450, but nonetheless, it doesn't equal 500. And I apologize for you guys that ordered this tracker right here. And I just want to let you know that everybody that ordered the $500 holiday challenge is already being sent a new tracker. I have a list down in the description box, so check it out there, of all of the names of the people that are getting sent a reprint of this tracker right here. So I'm gonna flash on the screen the new one that's coming to you. It looks exactly the same. So in the meantime, you can still use this one. There's just going to be another row of trees added, and it will equal $500 in the new one that you're receiving. So you will see that right here. It looks exactly the same. You just have another row of trees, and the total will equal $500. Again, you guys, I preach this all the time, whether I'm, you know, talking about the shop or whether I'm doing my stuffings for you. I'm human. I make mistakes. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little shaky right now, but like, again, I take pride in what I do, and like, I just feel so bad for everybody that ordered a $500 challenge and like the tracker is wrong. So again, the tracker's off by $50, so you're gonna get another tracker in the mail. All the names are listed down below, so check out the description box. If you don't see your name listed down below, then please email me. I'll leave the email down below as well, and I can get you a new tracker sent out right away. But if your name is already in the list down below, then your tracker is already heading to you right now. A new one that equals $500. I, again, just want to be transparent. I want to let you guys know every step of what I found out, of how I'm fixing it, and, you know, all of the new trackers are already sent out. So sorry, I'm like, I need to like take a breath for a second, but I again appreciate you guys so much. And this original video was definitely an appreciation video, doing the giveaway. I just had to do this PSA for my own heart and for you guys, because you have been the most supportive, and I honestly cherish every single person that has supported me on this channel, in the shop, all the above. And I just wanted to let you guys know and be completely transparent of what happened, how I'm fixing it, and etc. So, all right, you guys, we are back. We are here for the giveaway portion of this video. I'm still a little shaky, so if I sound a little off, that is why. Okay, so my channel did hit 5,000 subscribers a couple of weeks ago, actually, and I did a poll on Instagram, and everybody was like, yes, do a giveaway. So super easy giveaway. I'm not gonna make this complicated and hard. I just want you guys to leave a comment down below. Obviously, be subscribed to this channel. Rules here, just be a subscriber, leave a comment down below of anything you want. It could be a simple comment, it could literally be anything. I just appreciate you guys for being here and watching and interacting with the videos. So there are going to be 2 winners in this giveaway, and the winners are going to have the option of receiving a savings challenge bundle, which you guys know this one's mine. You'll be able to pick the color of your binder, and then you'll also be able to pick which 5 challenges you want in your bundle. So that is one option for the prize, and then the other option is to receive a customized cash envelope binder. So again, you will be able to pick the color of your binder out of the options we have on the website, and then you'll be able to pick the border color as well, and then you'll be able to pick the font, whether it's the script font or the block font, which if you guys don't know what that looks like, check it out on the website, and then you can tell me what you want your 6 envelopes to be. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Again, we have 2 winners. Each winner will have the option to pick either this here, the customized cash envelopes, or the customized savings challenge bundle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway. Again, just leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and be a subscriber, and that is it. I appreciate, again, your support, your understanding with what just happened, the issue that came up today, and I'm so glad I was able to address it today as well. I wanted to, again, be completely upfront with you guys of what's going on in the shop, because it doesn't just affect me, it affects some of you as well, for those who ordered. So I wanted to correct it as soon as possible. So again, take a look at the list. If you're one of those people that received this challenge, all the names are down below. If you don't see your name, send me an email and I will make sure you will get the new tracker sent to you as soon as possible. So again, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for interacting with me and just following me on my journey running this shop and my financial journey. It's been crazy and I wouldn't have it any other way. And you know, I have no problem owning up to my mistakes and making things right with you, because I wouldn't be here without you. So I thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.